Seedance 2.5 clips are getting out of hand right now, so I collected the best prompts I could find. Look at this.
Did you get that?
This video was made possible by Higgsfield, so thanks to them I got to run every single one of these prompts myself. To use Seedance 2.5 Unlimited, you need at least the Plus plan on Higgsfield. Then go to the video section, pick Seedance 2.5, and turn on the Unlimited toggle. Once that's on, every generation costs 0 credits. Now look at these clips and the prompts behind them. These ones get way too creative.
It's okay. Just stay close to me. Hey. Así ya. Ahorita, ¿no?
Inside just a wee purchase. Go retain your ride in open kiss. Some shit I'm just at this way. About to love you way too curb. Who my I just are a shy div here. You're what just it. Going. It's a change of it.
It's not working. Just act natural.
You can't get fired if you don't have a job.
Now animation. The trick with animation is being specific about the style in the prompt. If you leave it open, it picks one for you and changes its mind halfway through. These ones say exactly what they want and it delivers.
Breakfast time? Yeah! Oh, no! Oh, oh. Ah.
Legendary Master of Wind Strike!
You just learned this yesterday.
Prepare yourself!
This will be quick. You're punching air.
I meant to do a double spin! I let you win!
Sure you did. That's not kung fu. That's jazz foes.
It's ancient magic!
It's ridiculous. You okay?
Yes! Again! That lantern was strong.
The lantern is fine. You're the problem.
This time I'll definitely win.
No, you won't. Now what?
I don't know.
A short section now. Motion graphics, abstract shapes, logo animations, product transitions.
3x, O to x, 4. 4y to 1, y, w3.
灵感掉线，别急，醒客冷萃黑咖啡，一口清醒回来。醇厚本味，清爽不涩，把节奏交回自己。醒客冷萃黑咖啡，清醒有节奏。
Now the realistic ones. A year ago you could spot these in a second. Now I have to look twice, and sometimes I still get it wrong.
FBI! Search warrant! Hands where I can see them. Get down! Nobody move! Hands up! Step away from the table!
Kitchen clear, subjects in custody. Yeah, almost forgot about that. Honestly, not bad.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Wey Dariere, utamite pasanides.
Okay, late night gym vlog. It's basically empty in here. I look tired, but we're still doing this. That woke me up fast. Upper body done, and I'm already dying. Best part of the workout. Woo. A little stretch so I can pretend I'm disciplined. I always say quick workout and then stay forever. Okay, I'm done. Good night. Stop filming. Which one do you think? It's hot.
Hey.
Oh, thank you so much. I didn't even notice.
No problem at all.
Grits and a terse. It's for year.
It's hot. One of hers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So grit. Right, you can do that here.
I'm just exploring the city today. Let's see what we find. That sounds amazing. I wasn't expecting that. He was incredible. Definitely made my day. Okay, I'm literally just getting one top. That's it. Wait, this is cute? No. Really? Okay, rude. Why do I already have 4 things? Because you picked them up. Fair. Do I need this? No. Okay, I'm trying it on.
Fight scenes. Every single video somebody asks for these, so here they are. And this time you get the prompts too. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Subscribe if you want more of these. The prompts are all in the description, and so is the Higgsfield link if you want unlimited Seedance 2.5. Tell me which one was your favorite, and I'll go deeper on that style next time.